For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a property preservation business can be a smart entry into the real estate services industry, especially in areas with a high volume of foreclosures or bank-owned properties. These businesses are responsible for securing, cleaning, and maintaining foreclosed homes until they are sold. With the help of free AI tools, you can simplify every step from planning and branding to marketing and operations. Below is a step-by-step guide that shows how to launch this type of business efficiently using AI. Step 1. Understand the industry. Begin by researching the property preservation industry to understand the services commonly offered, such as lock changes, lawn care, trash-out services, winterization, and property inspections. Use ChatGPT to summarize key insights. Example prompt. ChatGPT, give me a summary of the property preservation business, including typical services, industry trends, and who hires these services. Step 2. Create a business plan. Use AI to draft your business plan, which should include an executive summary, business model, services, market analysis, marketing strategy, pricing, and financial projections. ChatGPT is ideal for this. Try the prompt. ChatGPT, write a business plan for a property preservation startup operating in your city or state with less than $5,000 in initial capital. Step 3. Choose and register a business name. Use a free AI-powered name generator like Namelix to brainstorm a professional and memorable name. Prompt it with keywords like property, preservation, secure, fast. Once you choose a name, register it with your state's business authority and get your employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. Step 4. Design a logo and brand identity. Create a logo, color scheme, and branding materials using Canva's AI logo maker and templates. Canva uses AI to auto-generate visuals based on your industry. You can also ask ChatGPT to craft your company's value proposition and mission. Try ChatGPT, write a mission statement for a property preservation business focusing on timely and reliable service for banks and realtors. Step 5. Handle legal and insurance requirements. Research licensing, bonding, and insurance requirements. ChatGPT can help summarize what's required in your area. Use this prompt: what licenses, bonds, and insurance do I need to start a property preservation company in your state? Contact local insurance providers for quotes on general liability and workers' compensation. Step 6. Set up services and pricing. List the core services you'll offer. ChatGPT can help identify which ones are most in demand and what you should charge. Use this prompt. What are standard property preservation services and their typical prices in your city? Create a service menu with different tiers, if needed, to appeal to various client types. Step 7. Build your website. Use a free site builder like Wix, Card, or Google Sites to create a professional-looking website. Many of these platforms now offer AI tools to auto-generate layouts and content. Write your web copy with ChatGPT using a prompt such as, write homepage content for a property preservation business based in your city, emphasizing speed, professionalism, and bank compliance. Step 8. Create a marketing plan. Develop a strategy to reach mortgage field service companies, banks, and real estate agents. Use ChatGPT to write your marketing plan. Prompt: create a detailed marketing plan for launching a property preservation business, including online, email, and offline outreach strategies. Use Canva to design flyers and social media graphics, and Meta AI tools to generate ad copy for Facebook or Instagram. Step 9. Prepare business documents. Create templates for estimates, invoices, work orders, inspection reports, and service checklists. ChatGPT can help create these. Try ChatGPT, create a customizable work order and inspection checklist for property preservation services. Store these templates in Google Drive or Docs for easy access and sharing. Step 10. Buy equipment and supplies. List the essential tools you'll need like a lawn mower, gloves, locks, cleaning supplies, and a reliable vehicle. Use ChatGPT to create a cost-effective starter list by prompting, "What are the basic tools and supplies needed to start a property preservation business on a tight budget?" Step 11. Find clients and contracts. Start looking for work by reaching out to asset management companies, banks, and REO property agents. Use Hunter.io to find emails and ChatGPT to write outreach messages. Prompt: write a professional cold email introducing my property preservation business to a real estate asset manager. List your services on platforms like Craigslist, Thumbtack, and Facebook Marketplace. Step 12. Set up business operations. Use free project management tools like Trello or ClickUp to organize tasks, assign deadlines, and track jobs. Both platforms have AI-powered automation tools to help schedule recurring maintenance jobs. Ask ChatGPT to create an example workflow. Create a weekly workflow for a solo property preservation contractor with 3 active jobs. Step 13. Collect reviews and build a reputation. Use Google Forms to collect client feedback and testimonials. Then use ChatGPT to turn this feedback into short testimonials you can post on your website and social media. Prompt: summarize these customer reviews into 3 testimonials for my property preservation business. Step 14. Monitor and improve. Once you're operational, use AI to review performance and suggest improvements. Upload job notes, reviews, or customer emails into ChatGPT and ask, "Summarize areas for improvement based on this feedback." You can also use ChatGPT to create monthly reports or performance summaries to assess business health. Conclusion: launching a property preservation business is more accessible than ever thanks to the power of free AI tools. These tools enable you to quickly research the market, write business plans, create branding materials, automate your marketing, and organize your workflow, all at minimal cost. By following these steps and using AI strategically, you can establish a professional and scalable business that stands out in a competitive industry. The key is consistency, reliability, and smart use of technology to deliver excellent service from day one. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.